some of that. I like it things.
I had one then.
Did you? What'd you do with it?
Brand new. I bought it, and I knew the market was going to be good on it.
Yeah.
And I bought a tap, it had 4,000 miles, 400 miles on it, bought the tap, and it had 4,200 miles on it, sold it back to me. They gave my money back for it.
Same thing again?
I bailed out.
Well, they cost a lot, don't
It's
they?
black convertible top, had a black hard top.
18. Make it even more. Got 20. 20 going once.
That's what we need to be cruising in right there.
20 going twice. Sold for 20.
I like a spinner on the wheels. Some of them. They look good.
But that's a pretty nice price now.
Look at dog.
God darn. Horse.
Our body basket. All kind of stuff in there.
Go smack it.
Yeah, you gonna smack it.
Fitness ones.
There's a hand that way with it.
Got 10 to have 15.
They got AC on it.
Got 15
Yeah.
on the old body box. Got 10. I got 15.
Under the
All
dash.
body box. It's got all kind of goodies in it. Got 10 to have 15. I got 10, got 20, do I have 25? Got 25, do I have 30? Got 25 over here, all right, I have 30. So,
Mustang here.
Yeah, this one?
Right here.
Oh, this one? Yeah. Look at them seats.
I like that.
That's what I need on my seats.
I got this green man, I'll take something into the arcade. Oh, it's low. Do I have over 10? Got 10, do I have 15?
I know him. Yeah, how you
Yeah, we
doing?
know each other.
He's usually got somebody prettier than you will.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where you look at this thing?
We got two good looking ones running around over there.
Okay. Y'all doing all right.
Yeah. And you done a job on this one, didn't you?
Well, I tried. Don't look too close because you're an expert and I'm not.
Yeah. Looks like you're the expert.
Be a $5.
Singing decals.
Well, I mean,
You ready to do it? Spray something on it.
well, I got the lady to make this thing see. Said she's on the same floor.
Got 10, do I have 15?
Yeah, I'm wrong with that.
Got 10, do I have 15?
I like this one.
10 to 1 price.
I like it. Well, it's not much.
For what it is now, it's immaculate.
You got to start at 10.
The history of the Jeep.
I got $10 on the rig, $10. Handmade rig, 4th of July.
Great big. Got a new one.
Everybody throwing up a bid at me for this rig, handmade. Can I get $5? Anybody got 5?
We drove it last night.
Got 5, do I have 10?
I'm glad it did.
5, do I have 10? Anybody on this rig? You looking with me?
I had to
send you.
At this point, it's make a donation towards the baked goods. Whatever you want, make a donation. We will accept it.
Did you?
She said, I don't know what that looks like. It landed.
That yours?
No, it ain't mine. I'd like to have it.
Yeah.
I don't sell a whole lot of them things around anymore.
I got a 73 I bought brand new.
Really?
Still got it.
Really?
It's red with black top, vinyl top.
How many miles I got on it?
That's 60.
Still in good shape?
Yeah, pretty good. I'm not ready to restore it again though.
What size motor got in? 350?
350 it built though. I used to run around down here back in the 70s with it. That reminds me of it. I got it sitting in the garage. Been there since 1980. Been in the garage.
Good the days they did back then?
Yep.
Since I had a friend of mine had a 76 Trans Am, had old Keystone Classics on it, had 50s on the back, 70s on the front. I said,
I didn't know this was happening when I told you we'd get out later, but I was cooking and we hadn't had lunch, so we ate like.
We still haven't eaten. We're gonna have to go grab something.
Well, you can come out my house. You ought to come out.
What do you got?
I've got these two and fresh green greens and fresh tomatoes.
Yeah, that sounds good. Don't it?
Does it sound pretty good? Well, so we ate and Wayne said, let's go riding. I said, well, Judy asked me if we was going to go riding.
No, I did. She didn't know nothing.
Oh, okay. Well, I thought you was her. It's usually him. Okay.
You remember me from Maple?
Yes.
Yes. Because I asked somebody, I waited on one of the girls that works out there and asked if you were still out there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. They took Moody's last week.
did a job up there Really up close on it.
Very close.
Yeah. Like alligators.
About alligators. Mark the front.